Hey guys, it's Ron from Yardie Garage, and today we're going to be looking at this product. This is the Liqui Moly Pro Line Throttle Valve Cleaner. So if you're not a mechanic and you're watching this video today, send it to your mechanic because at some point your car is going to need this. So this isn't just a cleaner. This is a solution designed just for mechanics. This thing here helps you to remove dirt, grime, glue, resin, and all other deposits that can form just by the operation of your engine. So a dirty throttle body can disguise itself in many ways. It can be rough idling, poor fuel economy. It can even be your car getting bad mileage. So the cleaner comes with this long tube. We take it, remove the intake hose, snake it through, close it back, and then we're ready. One of the great benefits of this cleaner is that you do not have to remove the throttle body. So after I snake the hose through with the engine off, I just give it a couple pumps. Nice. And then now I turn the engine on. So while our engine is on and the RPMs are at the desired speed, we take the product and we squeeze the product into the engine. Rev it. So now that we've had the cleaner had some time to sit through the engine while it was on, going through the intake and cleaning the throttle body. The next thing we have to do is remove the tube, pull it out of the intake hose, reattach the intake hose, and secure the clip. If using the cleaner, you see some smoke, that's fine. That's just the deposits being burnt and going through your exhaust. So remember, this cleaner is for your mechanic to use. It's not for the average DIYer. Pick up a bottle of this cleaner and let the cleaner do the talking. As a matter of fact, I just pick up a box myself. So this product is available at all locations of Bert's Auto Parts. And remember, it hurts if you don't check Bert's.